Welcome back, everyone, to Busting Open. Right now, as you can see, I have a 2024 2022 Ford Maverick Custom. This is the Hot Wheel Hot Trucks. This is number 10 out of 10. I have a few other ones I haven't seen. Today, I have a this run 4x4 and trucks ready to work and race. So let's crack it open. I can tell you right now, I really love the decal on the car. So let's do it. I was doing a video and I had a nice Bugatti, and turned out the audio was all muted when I was doing it. So I'm not going to show you it. Maybe one day I'll just show you the car on a short video. But yeah, I was looking forward to showing you that one, but it did not have any volume. So I figure I'll do a new video and show you this one instead. Alright, so yeah, so we can tell by the under it doesn't have any no muffler, no nothing. Really do miss those in the car, but it is what it is, right? So let's take a closer look here. Decal on it. Go forward. Cool. You windows right here. This way. Now let's put her on the display here. Give her a little spin for you guys. Let's see how the wheels do. Nothing fancy on the rims, but oh well. Alright, so there we have it. We have a 2022 Ford Maverick Custom. Alright guys, let me know what car you want to see bust open on the show. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.